We're going to go through that gate and walk and show you the boat launch for Red River. Again, this is Red River Waterway Commission owned and operated. So obviously they have access to Red River. Give you a little tour, little around view, the pavilion, the park. And we're back walking this way. If you look down this way, it is a parking lot, extra parking area in case it's needed. This area is free for use. There's no gate to come through for this particular area. We'll walk down here by the gazebo, show you that. Really nice little day use area. I'm going to walk over here. I'm going to show you the boat launch. Give you an idea of how wide this is. It's a massive launch. Really nice. Nice and long, not very steep. It's got the good little drainage ribs on it for water, so it's not as slippery. Not at all. Mine does because the water isn't on you, but trust me, no. Oh. Now if you walk down this way, down the sidewalk, you're going to come down to the boat dock. Each camper is allowed to leave a boat overnight in the boat slips while they're camping. Okay, just so you can see, this boat dock rises and lowers with the water level to an extreme level. So obviously the boat dock is safe for your boats and for you, no matter the water level. It is composite wood decking, so no worry about rot or falling through or weak boards. They do have a fish cleaning station for use. And as you can see, some really nice boat slips, really good tie-offs, and plenty of area for multiple boats. Can accommodate, looks like pretty much any size. Come out here, give you a view of the boat launch from this angle. You can see how wide it is. Those sidewalks are probably 48 inches wide on each side, so that'll give you a hint or an idea of how wide that boat launch really is. As you can see, it's got rock borders and sandbags for a retaining wall. You can see the gazebo up there where we just came from. And as you can see, the entrance into Red River itself.
All right, that is the tour of the boat ramp and boat dock at Grand Ecore in Natchitoches, Louisiana. It's a wonderful dock. We did fish off of this dock. My husband says the boat ramp looks nice. So if you like to fish and you need a place, it hooks directly to Red River, so go check it out. And also, we do have another video showing the whole campground. If you're interested in staying at Grand Ecore's RV park, then go check out that video. Other than that, like and subscribe. Bye for now.